Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So, I hope you're having a fantastic day. So, in today's episode, we're going to quickly look at the Bitcoin price in just a second. Make sure to go ahead and smash the like button, even give me a thumbs down, that's no problem. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. In the episode, after looking at the Bitcoin technicals, we're going to talk about Illuvium, some other news regarding VeChain, Nvidia, and the AI surge that could happen in the summer, and some news about the Ethereum ETF and what that means, not just for Ethereum, but for the rest of the space. So stay tuned to the very end. Make sure to like or dislike the video, leave any comments in the section below, and subscribe to the channel. So, looking at Bitcoin, like I said yesterday, Bitcoin continues to remain very, very boring. So where are we going? Well, I have no idea. I'm on Oracle, but this has been happening now for about 92 days, where we've just been going sideways. And yesterday, my thumbnail, I mentioned pay attention. So Bitcoin remains boring, but pay attention. And simply because at any second, Bitcoin, the longer this goes on, the bigger the surge to the upside or to the downside is going to be. So if we do pump a lot higher, because we've been going sideways for so long, for almost 3 months now, then that pump to the upside will be absolutely massive. Don't be surprised if the pump would take us all the way to 95k. Could happen in the summer, and vice versa. If we break down below, I've just put that support down at 60k. Don't know why I put it in red. This is just my OCD playing up. Let's put the support line in green and the resistance in red just above. So yeah, we're just stuck between this channel of, well, it's a quite a big channel. It's like 13,000 US dollars. Going into the summer, I think the breakout, I'm going to put it out there, is going to happen in the summer. I'd be very surprised if we stay in this channel in the summer. Either we have that breakout or breakdown in the summer. Hopefully we have a breakout, especially for to have an altcoin season. So I'm not going to go into the lower time frames. The volume is quite low as well. The thing is, it looks like we're rolling over here, so which isn't good. There's a lot of weakness in Bitcoin in the short term at this moment. Low volume. This could simply be, yeah, we're rolling over at this moment. I mean, the more times we retest the resistance, that's good, but there's a bit of weakness in the market at the moment. Having said that, Bitcoin tomorrow could just completely shoot up towards 73k. We hit that resistance again, we break through it. But again, if you're swing trading like me, then you want to wait. You want to be patient in the market, wait for the clear breakout and the breakdown. The price targets, I've spoken about it before on my channel. Go and check out my latest videos of the price points that I am looking at into jumping into Bitcoin. I think it was like 74k, and then I don't remember where I'm looking at. I think it's a bit lower than 60k. But go and check out my video. And the Fibonacci retracement tool is also good for that as well. So for me, I'm just waiting for that swing long position. If you're doing day trading, then obviously you want to go down to the lower time frames. The 15-minute is always a nice one, even if you like the 5-minute or 1 minute, whatever suits you. So jumping over into some news. It's going to be a quick episode today. The whole crypto space at the moment is pretty much in the red, except for this NOT, so not coin. I have no idea what it is. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section below. Right now, I will be jumping into now that Beam and VeChain as an example. What I'm buying is down 5. VeChain is down 3%. So I'm looking at filling my bags with Beam and VeChain. Over to VeChain. VeChain, the rewards for sustainability in green initiative innovation on its blockchain, creating global demand. And I mean, VeChain for me, it is the number one supply chain on the blockchain. And yeah, VeChain, it recognizes the growing consumer trend for sustainability. The project that VeChain is in, it's also encouraging unique X-to-earn mechanisms to inspire innovation. So yeah, VeChain, let's just listen to this recording on Twitter. I don't say X yet, I can't say X, I haven't got into that. I'm still a Twitter guy, I'm not an X guy, but anyway, let's listen.
Everyone's talking about, a lot of young people are posting on TikTok or Insta about their ecologically friendly this or that, and that's good, that's a nice trend, but it's only less than 10% of consumers for whom sustainability is the number one purchase criteria across category. But the good news is that if you couple sustainability with other dimensions, convenience, affordability, quality, the number actually shoots up. And so what we need here is both sides. Companies to respond to this reality, because a lot of executives will still tell you, oh no, consumers won't pay for free. This proves that it's not true. And it's every day it's less true. So consumers are moving, the community is moving, individuals are moving. And I think individuals creating that global demand, insisting that products be cleaner and greener and lower carbon is going to be an input.
Yeah, so just a little bit of news with VeChain. I still think VeChain is really undervalued at the moment. It's only sitting at like maybe 2 or 3 cents. I don't know, I'll have to check. But for me, yeah, the last all-time high was around 27 cents. I think we'll go beyond that, maybe to 50 cents this cycle. So if you're into VeChain, let me know. I think VeChain is it's a massive player, big player in the crypto industry. Number one supply chain in the blockchain, and yeah, I think VeChain could smash it. I would not be surprised to see VeChain at $1 one day, maybe this cycle. Thinking about Ethereum as well. Ethereum's ETF launch date revealed by Bloomberg. The key insights are here. So yeah, the cryptocurrency market is abuzz with the anticipated launch of the spot Ethereum ETF, and the industry experts are closely monitoring the developments, with significant updates expected soon. So this is a game changer for the crypto market, like it says here. The fact that we have an Ethereum ETF, it just gives more exposure to the market, and it's great for crypto. It's great for Bitcoin already has its spot ETF, now Ethereum, and there's just going to be more exposure for people to get into crypto. So it's fantastic for crypto, for the space. The downside to it, the more that time goes on, the more people that jump into it, then the Bitcoin, Ethereum will be like any other stock in the future. You'll have less volatility, so there'll be a gradual climb of a few percent, whatever, over the course of weeks or months. So it won't be as volatile. It won't be like the Wild West where you can make a fortune in crypto right now. So you're still not late to the party, but the more that these spot ETFs, maybe Solana will be next, who knows, the longer it goes on, by 2030 I think the world will have adopted cryptocurrencies, and yeah, there'll be less volatility, let's say, and less opportunities in the space. So you're still early, but I think this cycle will be okay, next cycle possibly, but in 2 or 3 cycles I think it will be very, very different, and people will be too late to the party. So this is really good right now. I mean, it is a game changer for the crypto market. I do expect, and anything like, I've just spoken about Beam, so Beam is in the ecosystem built on the Ethereum network, and Beam for me is going to be is going to do excellent in this cycle in the gaming category, and anything else within the Ethereum. So as soon as Ethereum starts pumping to the upside, then the coins like Beam and other things in the Ethereum ecosystem are going to do a lot more returns, more X's to the upside. So that's Ethereum, VeChain, and just one last piece of news. So no, we've got 2 more. NVIDIA AI search propels AI tokens. AI-focused cryptocurrencies are showing potential for a comeback amid anticipation of market consolidation. So in June, it's shaping up to be an exciting month for AI-focused cryptocurrencies. I agree with this. Let me know if you agree with this and agree with me. Experts are cautiously optimistic about a possible comeback for the following digital assets. So we have Injective, Render, Fetch AI, and Ocean Protocol, 4 really sound projects in the AI space. And for sure in June, I don't know why, but I'm expecting June, July, August to be maybe an AI or gaming summer. And I'm more into gaming, but I would not be surprised that AI is the narrative of the summer. It is probably most likely going to lead the way in an epic altcoin season. And I think as soon as we have that epic altcoin season, it will be AI that will lead the way, and then everything else will follow. So let me know if you're into Injective, Render, Fetch AI, or Ocean Protocol, 4 sound projects. But that's just some small news about these AI focused cryptocurrencies. So make sure you look at AI because I think it will be massive going forward in this bull run. And just the last thing I wanted to talk about was GameFi is coming back, says Illuvium co-founder. So we're going to look at the Illuvium price in just a second. So GameFi's revival driven by innovation, market adaptation, and a growing global audience. So Southeast Asia's tech-savvy population plays a crucial role in GameFi's resurgence. And so I mean the play-to-earn model like Illuvium, any play-to-earn like Axie Infinity will do really well this cycle. And what was interesting back in 2021, I was quite surprised it was Indonesia that was sitting at the top. Obviously this is 3 years ago, this has probably changed now, but the play to earn social trends, people just loved it a few years ago, these play to earn games. Do you think the play to earn games are still going to be important in this cycle, or do you think more people are into like launch pads or into the metaverse, etc.? So these games, once you've played them, that's it. You can't really do much apart from NFTs or you play to earn, but it's pretty much the game. That's what it is. But then you look at things like the Sandbox, Gala, Seedify, what else? Maybe even Beam as well. So you've got all these different categories where there's a lot more to it in that sector. You've got like in the Sandbox or Decentraland was another one. It's an open world. You create your avatar, and there's just so much more to do. So for me personally, play to earn is really good. These just single standalone games, they're good, but like trends, they come and go. They go out of fashion. Whereas something like open world or something where you can keep building on something, like in literal gaming, you've got games like Skyrim, Red Dead Redemption, and all sorts where you can just keep playing the game after you've completed the main quest or the main objective of the game, but you can keep going back. So for me, in the gaming world, in crypto, it would be more like the Sandbox, Gala Games. Beam is a new player this cycle. It's going to be interesting to see what it does in this cycle. So speaking of Illuvium, so 2 days ago, Illuvium launched its open beta testnet on May the 28th. So let me know in the comments if you're into Illuvium. I'm not going to go into this article too much, but I'm just going to go over into the Illuvium price. Now, as you can see, the peak here is saying around 1,800, but in fact it was like almost 3K. The all-time high was 2,868. So we're still down 97% from the last all-time high. So could we be expecting to go back to? I don't think we'll be going back to those prices, not at all, especially now that the market cap is, you just have to take into consideration the circulating supply, the market cap. So don't think, when you're looking at crypto, just a bit of advice. Again, what I'm saying is not financial advice. But when somebody looks at this, you're like, oh, that's fantastic. I think it's going to go back up to $3,000. Back then, the market cap was not the same as it is today. So you have to take into consideration the circulating supply along with the market cap. So for it to do a 30x, it means that the market cap also has to do a 30x. So you'll have to work this out. I'm not a mathematician, but a 30x or 35, 34x from there would be astronomical. I don't see that happening. What we could see is a 10x to this cycle, back up to these levels here, back up to like between $600 to $800. So I can see Illuvium doing a 10x in this cycle, going back up towards the $800 mark. But for it to go back to anywhere beyond 2 grand, it's not impossible, but it's less likely. So just be careful when you look at that, when you see even micro cap coins that has like billions and billions of tokens, huge circulating supply, market cap is massively high. Yeah, you just have to take those things into consideration. But having said that, Illuvium is a sound project. I think it will do really well. I mean, it's a bargain, but it's only $85. I mean, it's nothing compared to what it was in the past. So, like I said, we're still down a considerable amount. Go and check out Illuvium. I'll probably do a video solely based on Illuvium in the future, but if you want to check out them, go ahead. So basically it's just an open world fantasy battle game built on the Ethereum blockchain. So again, Ethereum blockchain, Ethereum blows up, then expect something like Illuvium to follow. So if Ethereum does, what is it now, 3-4k? If we go to like 15-20k this cycle, then I do expect something like Illuvium, a sound project, good foundations to do at least a 10x. So let me know if you're into this. That's pretty much it for today's episode. I just wanted to go over a bit of news. So Illuvium, the AI coins, get ready for the AI summer. We've got VeChain. I think VeChain is a fantastic project, really undervalued at the moment. I think, let me just see, I don't know if the internet is good on my, I'm just in an area where the internet's not great. Okay, it's working not too bad. I just want to see, where is VeChain? Let's just check. Anyway, let me just type it in. Probably gone past it. Vet. Let's check together. Sorry, my internet's a bit slow. Okay, it's 45th. So we are at 3 cents. So it's absolutely nothing at the moment. I think it's really undervalued at 3 cents, 3.5 cents. But yeah, so I'm filling my bags up with this, and just let me know what you think about VeChain. So thanks guys and girls for sticking to the end. Make sure to subscribe. I've forgotten at the beginning of the video, if you subscribe, you've got a chance at winning a ledger, a hardware wallet to keep your crypto safe. So if you want to have a chance to win a ledger, simply subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thanks very much guys and girls. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you next time. Bye bye.